Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Satechi 75 watt dual USB-C travel charger. Now if you guys are interested in this, we will leave links for you down in the description area. You can pick this up off of Amazon and it runs only $69. So taking a look around the box is pretty nice. It comes in a, as you can see, white and black and silver box, and on the back it gives you some information about what's inside. It has one USB-C type charger that produces up to 60 watts. You have a second USB-C type charger that produces up to 18 watts and two USB type A ports that produce 2.4 amps. So that's kind of a fast charging for some of your smaller devices. And so the overall output for this device is 75 watts. And it has a LED indicator to let you know that it's all plugged up and receiving voltage and ready to go. So let's open it up real quick and take a look at it and see what's inside. And so after opening it up here, we got a little plastic cover here. We're going to pull that off. And of course we see we have our power cord here. And it's kind of just a traditional basic type cord. So that's a good thing too. And so in case you lose your cord, this type of cord won't be hard to replace. And so underneath our device there, we have our instruction manual. Of course, you need to take a look at that. I'm sure it has some good tips and information for you to be able to use to get better use out of this device. And so we're going to set that back there. And then here we are with our Satechi USB-C type charger, 75 watt. So it has a little plastic cover on it, so we're going to pull that off real quick. And I believe you pull this little tab here. Okay. So the first impressions of this is pretty good. It looks really nice. And after getting this plastic off here, we're going to set that to the side. And it's kind of a silver, a matte silver. It's plastic. Gives you the idea that it's actually metal, but it's actually plastic. But it does look good though, even though it is plastic. Has a nice weight to it. You know, it feels like it feels substantial. Doesn't feel cheap. And as you look closely at the ports here, as you can see here at the top, let me grab my stylus real quick. As you can see at the top here, we have our 60 watt USB-C port, and we have underneath it our 18 watt USB-C port, and we have our two 2.4 amp USB type A ports. So this is a pretty cool device. You know, when you're traveling, you kind of hate, well, when I'm traveling, I kind of hate fumbling around with a bunch of different chargers. So this will come in handy that I can charge 4 different things at one time. Now, with this being a 60 watt USB-C output here, I can charge my MacBook. And so that comes in really handy. And that's one reason why I was excited to get this, is because I could charge my MacBook. I can charge a tablet if I wanted to, but in my case, I'd be charging my Galaxy Note 10, and then with the USB type A ports, I can charge my Galaxy Watch and I can charge my Galaxy Buds, all with one charger. So you can't beat that. That will work out really well. But that 60 watt, that is major. That is major right there. And convenience that I can charge all 4 of my devices at one time. They can get fully charged at a decent time rate. And so this is indeed a very cool or very good device to have. So we're going to test it out real quick. We're going to plug up our devices. We're going to plug up my MacBook Pro, which is a 13-inch. It takes 60 watts. Plug up my Galaxy Note 10 and my Galaxy Watch and my Galaxy Buds 2 and see if it can carry all 4 of those devices at once. So as you can see, we got everything hooked up to our Satechi 75 watt dual USB-C travel charger. On the top port here is the 60 watts. We have it hooked up to our MacBook Pro 13-inch. Here we have the 18 watt port, and it is charging my Galaxy Note 10. And you can see that it shows the indicator that it is being charged. And here we have 2 USB type A ports that have 2.4 amps. And the one is charging my Galaxy Watch here. And the other one is charging my Galaxy Buds. And you can see the light indicators showing that they are being charged. So overall, this Satechi 75 watt dual USB-C travel charger is a beast. It is a must buy. It makes it so much more convenient to have it that you can have all your devices plugged up at once and everything is being charged simultaneously. Just to give you an idea, this is what my MacBook Pro Charger looks like. And this thing runs anywhere from $75 to $100. And so for what you would pay for this, and of course you do need this, you can have this travel charger, this Satechi, and power everything. So that's about it for our video for the day. Hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends and family. And also be sure to hit that bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.